welcome to lesson 1. So before we get started in this lesson, hopefully you will have watched the video that precedes this one called Getting Started. In that lesson you'll learn all about the different parts of the guitar, names of the strings, how to sit, how to plug in your amplifier and how to read basic guitar music. So presuming you've done that, let's go ahead with this lesson. So in this lesson we're going to use 3 notes. That's an E, A and a B. So if you look at your music and you're following along with the handout, you can play the E note on the open 6th string. Okay, so to find that we're going to count the strings and we're going to count from the thinnest. Okay, so that's the one nearest the floor. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to play the string with no fingers held down. So that's our E note. We're now going to look at the next note, and that's an A note. Now A can be found on the open 5th string. So again, as before, let's count the strings from bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we just simply play the strings. So let's recap. We have E, that's the 6th string. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my E note. To play my next note, my A note, I go to the 5th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I play the note there. My final note in this lesson is a B note. Now you can find B on the 5th string, 2nd fret. So again, I would recommend count the strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so your right hand's on the correct string, and then with the left hand count along the spaces on that exact same string. So 1, 2, hold the finger down, that's my B note on the 2nd fret, 5th string. Okay, so I'll do that one more time. I have my E note, that's my open 6th string, so just the 6th string with no fingers, my A note, the 5th string, and my B note, which is the 2nd fret, 5th string. Let's try playing those notes forwards and then backwards. So we're going to go E, A, B, and then B, A, E. So here we go, we'll try it after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, E, A, B, Once you're happy with that, let's have a look and see if we can play study number 1. Okay, so now you've heard the piece, let's break it down bar by bar. So if we look at the start of study number 1, it starts off and it's played all on the open 6th string. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of that. So I'm going to get my plectrum, I'm going to count string 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm literally going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, because that's the 2nd bar, 3, 2, 3, 4, the 3rd bar, 4, 2, 3, 4, the 4th bar. If we keep looking along, we now change at the 5th bar. It'll say A over the top, so that's our A note, and we're on the 5th string, and it's no frets, it's an open string. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the whole first line. Let's hear that line all in one go. So it's the first line, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 6th string, 1, 2, 3, 4 bar 2, we do it again, 2, 3, 4 bar 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 bar 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we change to the 5th string, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the next part, so on the next line, we do exactly the same. We go back down to the E, so the 6th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another bar of it, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll see on your music that it says B. Now your B note is found on the 2nd fret, 5th string. So again, count the strings, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the spaces, 1, 2, hold your finger down. We play 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next bar, we go to an A note, so to play that we take our finger off and play the open 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the open 6th string for the E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finally, the very last bar, we have 2 Bs and 2 Es. So I'm going to the 2nd fret, 5th string for my B note, 2, then finally on 2 Es on the open 6th string. Okay, I'll do the last line again, and here it is. So it's E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then B, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, and E, 2, 3, 4, B, B, E, E. Okay, so here is all of study 1 right the way through with just the guitar part. So we start off on the E note, so that's the open 6th string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we change to the A note, the 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the E note, the 6th string, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the open A, the 5th string, 3, 4, then the E, 2, 3, 4, B, B, 2nd fret, 5th string, then the open E, 2. Okay, I would suggest that you try and play it very, very slow. Make sure that you can get all the parts together, and once you can do that, try playing along with the backing track.